investment also you can use that. Indicators is very important for the technical analysis. Okay, we are discussing today completely about indicators, how indicators will work, and what are the levels we need to see the observe the indicators. Okay, so friends, I have logged in my Kite Zerodha application and I have opened Nifty 50 chart. Okay, this is the chart of the moving price. How this price is moving. I will tell you one thing. Different traders like long term investors will see the different type of indicators, and swing traders will see the use the uh, different models of the indicators, and intraday traders are using other some different kind of indicators. First of all, we need to use the major indicators. I will tell you one by one. Moving average. First one is moving average. It will show the average price of the movement, how this price is moving. It will show the average price. Okay, in moving average I only use just two moving averages. First one is 20 days moving average and second is 200 days moving average. Some will use like 90 days moving average and someone will use like 50 days moving average. I don't use all those moving averages. I just use 21 days moving averages and 200 days moving averages. In this, enter here 200 and click on here. I change this color because of to identify very easily. I will tell you how why I use this apply these two indicators. This is very important because we are just applying is not a matter, but why we need to apply this indicator, that is very important. See, this is daily time frame. We intraday traders we need to use daily time frame, and second thing we use 15 minutes time frame to see the trend analysis, and we need to see 5 minutes moving price moving action. And when you going to place order, you need to use 1 minute time frame. Then only you will find the exact level of the price movement, like 1 point also you will catch that such a type of accuracy will perfect entry will make in 1 minute chart. For entry and exit you need to see in 1 minute. For analyzing you need to use 15 minutes. Most of all the professional traders are using 15 minutes. I suggest you to use 15 minutes only to identify the trend and analysis purpose and trend patterns and all. You need to use 15 minutes, 1 hour or 1 day candle for intraday traders. If you are a swing trader, you will use 200 days moving average, 50 days moving average, 90 days moving average. Okay, see friends, when price is moving up above this moving average, it was in uptrend. When price is moving below, it was in downtrend. Again, it was started moving upward. That means uptrend. That's it. Like same also 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average will show trend changing time. Okay, when trend is changed, the price will going down in the 200 days moving average. First indicator we have get clarity. Okay, and another indicator I will use most of the time, RSI indicator. RSI indicators, stochastic RSI. What it will show means, first of all we need to put in 15 minutes or 1 hour or 1 day candle. Okay, this is 1 hour or 1 day. I use 15 minutes only to know the perfect entry and exit. Okay, this is the 15 minutes moving time frame, and this is the stochastic RSI. What this indicator will show the price movement means, see here it was 80 in the upper circuit and here below at the 20. That means one price is moving like this is the price line of the RSI line, and this one is price movement line, and one is RSI line. once price is moving like this gap is there, no, this will show that overbought zone from above 80 means here this is the 80 now. This 80 shows you that price is going above of this overbought, so overbought zone, that means buyers are already overbought, they need to sell now. Then when people started selling, price will go automatically to the down like this. Once here at the 20 below here is there, this RSI indicators when price will come at the 20 line, that means it is over sold zone already. Overall supply zone is completed, supply is completed, all are sold completely. Now buying will start from here, from stochastic RSI below price is moving means we need to take buy entry from here. When it will reach 80 this line, we need to take sell entry. Okay, this is how RSI indicator will work. And next indicator most of the traders will use, that is MACD indicator. That means MACD, moving average conversion and diversion. This will show that the price is moving, how this moving price is moving, like how it was conversion, how it was diversion. It was showing this MACD indicator. This will show you clearly. See friend, this is the signal you are getting here. Like this price is like, this is the border line is there, no, this is the MACD border line. If price is above this border line, we are in uptrend. See here, fallen, price has fallen happen here. See, so this border from below it was creating MACD lines. Okay, this is the green line is the price line. Okay, red line is the MACD line. When blue line is crossing over this MACD line, that means started when price is already started falling, and green blue line showing that it was crossing MACD line above, below to the above upper side, then started price started again movement of the upwards. This is the upward movement, it will show the MACD line. Okay, this one is MACD line, can you understood? This is the border line. This border line price is creating means this is the uptrend. This border line below it was this, like the diversions are creating means this is downtrend. And this blue line is the price line and red line is the MACD line. When MACD like price line is crossing over above from down to upward means price started from uh, down to upwards. Okay, this will show the MACD line. And next indicator what we use, Bollinger Bands. Okay, this Bollinger Bands also it will clearly indicate that this like a balloon type of indicator that will show that this price can maybe go from this upper side and downside this much, the price average it will shows. Okay, this will easily we can understood friends, I think. See, and in the middle you will find one pink line here. In this pink line it was going means this is also uptrend. In this line it was going, price is moving downside means this is here. In this pink line we are getting price is going downside means that is downtrend. This Bollinger Band has clearly showing that price is moving upwards. Here it was crossover taken, and MACD line also crossover taken here, and this one RSI line also taken crossover here. This will, three indicators will show that it was in the downtrend is completed and it was going in upper side. Okay, this is the Bollinger Band. And one more Ichimoku cloud also is there. Okay, I will remove this Bollinger Band because it was a little bit confusing. Okay, this is the this will show that red and green directly you can, beginners will understood it was easy, very easily. Green means bullish and red means bearish. That will show the indicator of Ichimoku. And we need to use one more indicator, super trend. This is my favorite indicator because this will clearly indicate when downtrend has started, and this will indicates the when green side is started. Okay, this is very beginners also we can easily find out this indicators. Okay, this is the signal it was showing like in the arrow mark. I will show you it. See, this is the green signal. It was price is going strong buying side. When this is market is fallen, this is the indicator red arrow mark. It will show that downtrend has started, like that. Okay, and another indicator I will tell you. Most of the indicators is there, but it was little bit confusing. All those indicators are work after the price moving only, but if you need to predict means, most of the time we will use moving averages. Moving averages will help to predict what may be happening in the next 15 minutes, 10 minutes, uh, like half an hour or 1 hour. It will show that moving average will be shows the next to predict the next moment what will be going on. Okay, yes, another indicator is volume. Volume is very important. Without volume we can't trade. Volume will indicate the volume will indicator that within particular time how many transactions, like how many buying has happened, how many selling has happened. That is the very important. Without volume we don't do anything. It's a market closing hours, so we can't able to find this volume here now. That's uh, little bit of confusion because its volume, if we find this volume chart means we can easily analyze this very easily. But this is market closing time, friends. We are not finding volume here. Once market is opening means we will find the volume clearly. Volume chart will definitely give you a best uh, like prediction for your traders. Okay, these are the very important indicators where we use in technicals. Okay, if you have any doubts to how to use in indicators means, you just comment me below. And most of the things I will tell you one thing, this if all people are confusing by using these indicators, when they will get confused means, in the beginning stage I also get used to confuse. When we change the time frame, that is the very important. When we change the time frame, these indicators movement will also change according to time frame. That is how we will get confused suddenly. We will see in this RSI indicator. See, this RSI indicators has come down this below this 80 level. But when we use 15 minutes candle, see, this will show that from it was falling from upwards to downwards. Because the time frame will confuse time frame, and moving averages and indicators all are changed according to time frame. Okay, we need to use 15 minutes or 5 minutes. 15 minutes only we need to use, because 15 minutes time frame will give you a best indicators, indicator signals for you need to analyze, or you need to find any patterns. Also you need to do any analysis in technical. You need to use 15 minutes candle or 5 minutes candle also we can use for intraday when we are going to take entries. Okay, so friends, these are all indicators. Moving averages, stochastic moving averages to find the price trend and price prediction purpose, and super trend for downtrend or uptrend, RSI for overbought zone or oversold zone, MACD line for price is moving upwards or downwards, this border line. Okay, These indicators are very important in this one. If you found any doubts in these indicators, you just comment me below. I will help you to guide. Okay. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.